Hi guys, today we're going to make this flower pot step ladder type. This is Danz Garage, and I'm the jack of all trades.
It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Para sa mga plantitos at plantitos dyan, problema na ba kayo sa dami ng inyong plant collection? And you are already running out of space? Here's a great solution for that, a flower pot stand. Para ma-organize natin ng maayos ang ating mga plants. And also to make more space for more plants. So join me in this build so I can show you how to do this. So marami tayong iba't ibang klase ng plant wrap. Pero ang gagawin natin dito is yung ladder type. First, gawa muna tayo ng drawing ng gagawin natin para alam natin yung plano ng ikakat natin at saka yung bibuild natin. Okay, so alam na natin yung area na paglalagyan natin ng flower pot stand. It's about 35 by 24 only. 35 by 24 inches, so kailangan pumasok doon. So una natin gawin yung steps niya. So drawing muna natin. So ganyan, tapos gagawin sa likod. So roughly ganyan na magiging itsura niya. Then we're going to connect the second step right about here. Bali yung height ng pangalawa is 9 inches. Let's calculate, yun na lang, 9 inches. Pasensya na kung bali-balik ko ang drawing natin dahil nagmamadali tayo mag-drawing. Pero lalagyan naman natin ng measurements to para hindi tayo mawala. So that's 22 inches lahat ito. 35 yung space dyan. And we have 24 dito. So may adjustment din tayo 2 inches dito. Kasi 8 plus 14 is equals 22. Okay. Guys, napaka-importante ng paggawa ng drawing or diagram para ma-eksakto natin lagi at makalculate natin kung ano yung materials na kakailanganin natin. So, ito yung ginagawa natin ngayon. So guys, this is the drawing of the project that we are going to do. Ang height niya is 35 inches, ang width niya is 33 inches, and ang kanyang depth is 22 inches. So, papasok siya dun sa 35 by 25 natin. So, may ilalagay natin siya dun sa space na yun. So, sa taas may ilalagay natin yung mga 8x8 na pot na sinukat natin. Dito naman sa baba, may ilalagay natin yung mga 14x14, yung mas malalaking pot. So, all in all, ang kakailanganin nating bakal dyan, calculate na natin dito, is 455 inches. And then, dahil 455 inches, gagamit tayo ng tatlong square bar dahil tig 20 feet ang sukat ng isa nun. Ang gagamitin natin is medyo makapal na 12mm square bars. So let's produce this and then let's get on with the build. Step 2, produce the materials. Here we have it. So looking back at the plan, meron tayong mga 33 inches, 35 inches, 9 inches na sizes na kailangan natin i-cut. So let's cut this into pieces. Let's go, grind something. Step 3, cutting. Tapos na, gano'n lang kadali. There's been a problem. Nakalimutan kong i-record. Iyon yung record nung camera na ginagamit natin. So hindi natin na ipakita sa inyo kung paano natin kinod. Pero it's all cut na. So yan, naputol natin in pieces. Let's go on with the build. Step 4, welding. Unahin natin i-weld yung kanyang mga step ladder. Let's weld. You have to make sure that everything is squared. Tapos, tsaka nyo, ispat-ispatan lang muna. Huwag mo muna kayo magpo-full weld. Tapos, i-grind na natin itong mga to para mamaya hindi na mahirap dukutin pagka buo na natin siya. Guys, pagbalik ko yung mga bakal na ginagamit natin, kailangan natin itong diretso para lalong-lalo na pag tayo mga paa yung ginagamit natin. So, we have to be straight before we connect it. Like here. Pag gumagawa nga pala kayo, be wary at saka kailangan maging aware kayo. Not like this, oh, ayan, munti ka na. Sukatin nyo muna maigi and then tsaka nyo i-weld ng kalahati lang muna para pwede nyo pang pukutin para ibalik. Tapos tsaka nyo i-weld ulit. Yan. Make sure everything is leveled up before you continue. Now everything is almost ready. Let's grind. So dito kailangan natin pupugin na natin na ready to finish na pwede na natin pinturahan. So all corners, lahat ng may mga rebaba pa, tanggalin na natin yan. Now let's connect this second section. Make sure that it is leveled up before we proceed with the welding. So guys, kailangan natin patibayin to. So lagyan natin siya ng mga braces. Now we are done. Nakonect na natin lahat. Let's go on and grind this for the last time. Ayan, tapos na siya. As you can see, this one is ready for painting. So yan guys, nabuo na natin siya. So last na gagawin na lang natin is to paint this thing up. So yan guys, pipaint na lang muna natin to ng epoxy primer. Tapos yung second coating, bahala na yung may-ari. So yan, this is all finished. Antayin na lang natin itong matuyo and then we're going to place it. So ayan guys, natapos na natin ang project na to at napakadali lang, di ba? It's all dried up at pwede na natin pwesto at lagyan na ng halaman. So yan, naipwesto na natin siya, nailagay natin ang halaman and look at the result. Guys, primer nga lang ang itinate natin sa kanya. Bahala na yung magmamayari nito kung anong final finish nito, kung anong kulay ang gusto niya. Pero as it is, ay pwede na ito dahil para lang lagyan natin siya ng primer para at least hindi na siya kakapitan basta-basta ng kalawang. Guys, napakadali lang po nitong gawin. At kahit baguhan ka pa lang sa pag-welding ay easy lang, kayang-kaya niyong gawin ito. And this will also give you a chance to practice on your welding skills to ramp it up to the next level. This one is very basic. Please join me next time sa mga susunod nating projects kagaya nito. At dito na po muna natin tatapusin ang video ito. This has been Certain from Danz Garage, and as always, ciao! If you like this video, hit that like button. If you learned something and you want to know more, mag-subscribe. Libre lang yan. And if you want to be notified of our latest videos and updates, click that bell button.